Hey, eighth graders, it's Friday. Hey, one thing I want to alert you to. Did you know that it is Mother's Day on Sunday? So I need you to kind of start thinking about how are you going to make your mom or your stepmom or your grandma, how are you going to make them feel really special? Little insider tip for you. As a mom myself, we really don't need big fancy presents. We would love a heartfelt hug and an I love you, or a handwritten card. We would love to do something as a whole family, like go on a bike ride or go on a hike. We would love for you to do a chore for us without being told. So, like that laundry basket that's in your room full of clean clothes, put that away. Anyway, start thinking about what you can do to make your mom feel special this weekend. Next, I want to just quickly buzz through the assignment for today and then release you and get going. We have been studying and reading about the events leading up to the War of 1812 the last 2 days. So what I'd like you to do today is watch two quick videos about those events. This first one is called Prelude to War. If you could please bold or change your font color and fill in those video notes as you watch it. Then there's a very quick one, Tecumseh's War. It actually spills out of the first one because it kind of highlights just one portion of that tension, and that tension with the Native Americans. So if you could please watch that again, bold or change your font color, and answer those few video notes. Then I'd like us to do a quick check-in with COVID and see what's going on in the latest in that. So I'd like you to watch today's edition of CNN 10. Write 6 bullets of information. Now, some of you are getting pretty vague and very brief with your bullets of information. Again, take the time to dig out the nugget of information that's most important and then expand with some details on that. Make sure you include these topics: how jobs and unemployment rates are changing because of COVID and social distancing rules, COVID medicines that are being developed, and of course the vaccine development update. And then, did you know that the Professional Baseball League in South Korea has begun? And even some of those games are on ESPN. So maybe that's a sign of things to come for us. But go ahead and give some details about that baseball story. Then, most of you have finished your flip grids, but a few of you haven't, so make sure you do that if you haven't done that. Those are due by 4 today. I've posted just 2 of all of the wonderful flip grids that you have submitted. So check out Caitlin's and Sierra's flip grid for some fun and inspiration. Submit when you're done. Those are due on Monday by 10. All right, I'm going to buzz down later this weekend to visit my grandma. I'm just going to bring her an Oh My cupcake from a distance, of course, but nothing, I think, if anything can cheer you up, it's an Oh My cupcake. So that's my plan this weekend. Have a great one. See you Monday. I'm so proud of you.